All right, 5.5. Student investigate the electrolysis of green copper chromate solution. Power supply, positive electrode, negative electrode. Filter paper soaked in an electrolyte solution. OK，咁即係可以走嚟走去喎。Drop of green copper chromate solution. OK，要擺喺呢度。Results. Yellow color 去 positive, blue color 去 negative. Explain the results in figure 5. 咁 copper two 咁一定係 blue 啦。Blue copper. How do we know that is blue? 你睇下佢一個 positive charge. Positive charge 咁梗係去 negative 啦。Negative charge 梗係去 positive 啦。Makes sense, right? 咁你就 explain 咯。Copper blue, copper two plus. 做唔到 superscript. Blue copper two plus will move towards the negative electrode. 咁呢個 CrO4 chromate yellow, yes, yellow chromate ion will move towards the positive electrode. Okay, student investigate the voltage produced by different pairs of metal electrodes in a chemical cell. Chemical cell 用兩個唔同嘅 metal，如果一個係 more reactive than the other，咁我就有個 bigger difference in voltage，咁就 bigger voltage 啦。今次係唔知用咩喎，electrode A，但係我哋用 nickel for this one。入邊有個 one molar sodium chloride solution。Okay, let's have a look. Electrode A 有唔同嘅 metal symbol，OK，voltage volts 有啲 positive，有啲 negative 咧。unreactive 嗰兩個係 negative，reactive 嗰啲就 positive 喎。Alright, that gives you a clue. Write the symbols of the five metals in table order of reactivity。最 high voltage 係邊個？Magnesium G，跟住就 zinc，跟住就 nickel，跟住就 which one's less negative? Copper，跟住就 silver。Justification 頭先講咗啦，more reactive metal will give a higher voltage. Oh my, 6 marks, 6.2. Voltage produced by a chemical cell depends on the concentration of the electrolyte solution. Plan an experiment to investigate how the voltage produced by a chemical cell varies with the concentration of the electrolyte solution. Okay, 6.2. The voltage produced by a chemical cell depends on the concentration of the electrolyte solution. Plan an experiment to investigate how the voltage produced by a chemical cell varies with the concentration of the electrolyte solution. 1 MnACl solution. 咁如果我哋要做啲 dilution 有 pure water 用幾多 ？Pure water. Right, let's make up different concentrations first. 咁50 total concentration mole per dm3。Alright，今次要 plan 呢個 experiment，咁我哋第一樣嘢就做唔同嘅 dilution 先啦。點解我用100ml？因為就容易做你啲 dilution 啦。咁我 half and half，咁我咪 half 咗佢，呢個咪0.5咯。Original solution 係1m 啊嘛，咁我 half 咗佢就變0.5啦。咁如果我用20、80、100、0.2，可以用60、80、40、20、100 ml concentration 呢個就0.6、0.8。如果我用呢幾個 dilution，咁我哋就要 mention using a 100ml measure cylinder accurately measure volumes of NaCl and water from the table to achieve the following dilutions listed。用翻頭先嗰個啦，頭先係nickel 係咪啊？用翻 nickel 用 magnesium 最勁嗰個，咁我哋有一、二、三、四唔同 concentration，咁就會擺落嚟呢個度，就會 record 個 voltage。Making a fair test，我哋要用 same volume of NaCl solution each time. 呢個係 NaCl solution. Use the same metals for electrochemical cell. OK，呢個梗係要用同一個 magnesium 和 nickel 啦。OK，so every time 就擺唔同嘅 concentration 落去，record 你個 voltage on the voltmeter，跟住就倒走佢，give it a rinse，跟住就擺下一個落去，就 record 個 voltmeter。咁我哋就會有4個唔同嘅 voltage，咁我哋就可以 compare。Make sure you keep things the same。咁就一個 fair test。The only thing we're changing 呢個就係我哋個 concentration 嘅。Describe how a hydrogen fuel cell produces a potential difference. Produces water when it oxidizes. So hydrogen loses electrons when it oxidizes. Question 7. This question is about iron. Iron is a metal. Describe how iron conducts thermal energy. 咁你記得 iron 係一個 metal 個 bonding 就係 metallic bond，right？咁 metallic bond 入邊有咩咧？就有 free delocalized electrons。OK，我哋走嚟走啊嘛。咁呢啲 free delocalized electrons will transfer heat energy。夠晒啦，2分。Pure iron is too soft for many uses. Explain why mixing iron with other metals makes alloys which are harder than pure iron. 跟住如果有其他嗰啲細粒啲，different metals have different atom sizes。如果佢嘅 layer 已經唔係一個 layer，已經全部整到佢亂晒，咁我哋咪 slide 唔到咯。Layers of atoms are not able to slide as easily due to the regular patterns. OK，something like that，因為3分可能要講多少少嘢。你嗰啲 regular patterns 已經係俾人 disturb 咗啦，所以就冇咁容易 slide over each other because different metals have different sizes。夠啦，3分。Okay, question 7.3. When iron reacts with chlorine, 0.12 moles of iron react with 0.18 moles of chlorine gas. Which is the correct equation for the reaction? 睇下我哋個 ratio of iron and chlorine，好明顯呢個係一個 2 to 3 ratio，係咪？咁你睇翻個 ratio 咁就得啦。呢度係1 to 1，nope。1 to 3，nope。2 to 1 ratio 唔係啦。2 to 3 ratio，yes，個 formula 都係啱嘅。This one。4. What is the ratio of numbers of ions in Fe3O4? Tick one box. 如果你記得 oxygen 係一個 group 6嘅 atom，therefore it makes a 2 minus charge。咁我哋呢度全部都係 4O2 minus，即係有8 minus altogether。咁我哋要 match 翻個 iron 有個8 plus，咁就 OK 嘅咯。呢度 first one 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 that is 3，呢個 7。2 times 1 係 2 6 OK 喎。2 times 3 is 6。3 times 2 is 6。Melon. 3 times 3 is 9。OK, there you go. Positive ions 嗰個 charge 要 match 翻個 negative ion 嗰個 charge，咁就 OK 啊。Question 7.5. Calculate percentage by mass of iron in Fe3O4. Relative atomic mass. O is 16, Fe is 52, iron is 56. So I'm doing 56. Fe3 times 3. Oxygen is 16 times 4. Okay, find out 呢個 total. 咁 do I need to work it out? 56 times 316. Okay, 我而家 work out 咗啦。咁 iron 係56，咁我有3個 iron，咁即係 added together is 168。Oxygen 有4粒，咁16 times 4係64，added together，咁呢個係我個 total MR of Fe3O4，但係我淨係想要 mass of iron 啊嘛，咁即係168 over 232 times 100. Okay, that's your answer. Okay, 7.6. Fe2O3 reacts with carbon to produce carbon dioxide. That's the equation. Calculate volume of carbon dioxide gas at room temperature pressure that is produced from 40 kg of Fe2O3 using excess carbon. One volume of mole of gas at room temperature. Okay, right. 第一樣嘢要做就係 we need to find out moles of Fe2O3. Mass divided by mR 40 kg 咁多嘅 grams divided by mR 等於 moles 250 moles of Fe2O3 molar ratio 係 calculate volume of gas, okay, 4 to 3 moles of CO2 is 250 divided by 2 times 3 就等於 375. Okay, 跟住擺落去個 gas constant. Remember, most times gas constant 等於個 volume. 佢要咩啊？dm 喎，即係唔使 times 24,000啦。375 times 24. OK，咁呢個就係呢個 answer。Leave it in dm，記得1 moles。OK，用你啲 mole equations，1 moles，1 molar ratio。Question 8. This question is about propane, C3H8. Why propane has a low boiling point? Okay, 簡單。It's a small hydrocarbon. Small hydrocarbon 咁即係點啊？there are weak intermolecular forces between molecules. OK，我哋講緊其他嘅 propane 呢度 weak intermolecular forces between molecules. These are easily overcome. Therefore, propane has a low boiling point. Okay, propane reacts with oxygen to produce CO2 and water. The reaction is exothermic. Figure 8 shows 4 reaction profiles. A, B, C, D. Which is the correct reaction profile and labels for the reaction between propane and oxygen? 咁佢已經講咗成個 reaction exothermic. That means 我哋個 products 會係 minus delta H 喎 because it's exothermic 啊嘛。咁一定要係 go down。喂，呢個全部 go up 嘅。哦，咁一定係 B 啦。OK， exothermic delta minus H go down 已經係 minus 咗。我個 product 係 lower in energy compared to my starting material. B 總之睇呢個算啦，唔使睇其他，全部都係 up 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 已經錯晒啦。Take B 8.3. Figure 9 shows the display formula of the reaction between propane and oxygen. Okay, gives me CO2 and water. Overall energy change of this exothermic reaction is 2,219 kilojoules. Calculate the bond energy of CH bond. Breaking minus making. OK，咁呢度你就要加晒佢啦。OK，所以呢左手邊 CC bond 有2個。 CH bond 有八個，O bond 有5個，right hand side CO bond 有2個，再乘3有6個，OH 有2個，再乘4等於8個。Alright，咁我哋唔知呢個係咩喎？咁呢度係 breaking，呢度係 making。咁如果你加晒呢啲乘咗呢啲，加晒呢啲 making minus breaking，得翻最尾個答案，你除翻個8，咁你就知道 CH bond 係幾多啦，係咪？我唔 go through 呢樣嘢啦，5 marks。Question 9. This question is about acids and their reactions. Acids can be either weak or strong. What is meant by weak acid? 如果你記得 strong acid 係100% dissociation，即係啲 hydrogen ions 會跳晒出嚟咁樣，係咪？呢個就係 strong acid。咁 weak acid 就係唔係100% 咯，即係 partially dissociated。Weak acid is partially dissociated，即係唔係100%。Second mark would be in an aqueous solution。一定要講呢兩嘢，一定要講 aqueous solution，一定要講 partially dissociated for 2 marks. Part 2, explain what happens to the pH of an acid as the acid is diluted with water. Acid 你記得佢係 pH around 1，咁我哋不停咁 dilute with water，咁就係會越嚟越高咯。Water pH 係7啊嘛，係咪？OK，咁即係會 increase 啦。pH of an acid would increase. Again, 2分 give me a reason. Because concentration of hydrogen ions decreases. OK，佢呢個 part 2係少少 link to 佢個 part 1上邊講緊 hydrogen ions，呢度佢都係講緊 hydrogen ions，所以你有少少 clue， 2分。Okay, 9.3. A student does a titration to find the volume of acid needed to neutralize an alkali. The student fills a burette with the acid. Burette 係好長嗰支嘢，50 ml 嗰支。Give 3 more steps the students must do before adding the acid to the alkali from the burette. 咁我哋要 prepare 我哋個 alkali 先。點樣 prepare 就 pipette the alkali into a conical flask. OK，pipette 係好長嗰支嘢，中間有少少位可以裝嗰個 solution，上邊有條線可以見到幾時個 end point。多數啲 volume 係25或者50，咁一定要擺落個 conical flask 度啦，因為我哋要做呢個 titration。跟住就加少少 indicator。OK，加完 indicator 就要 place onto a white tile。跟住 of course 你要 take 個 initial reading of amount of acid present, take a final reading of end of titration. Okay, does that make sense? 咁就可以做到一個 titration. 9.4, student titrated a solution containing 0.0045 moles of sodium hydroxide with 0.15 molar hydrochloric acid. Okay, so 呢個係個 reaction. Base plus acid equals metal salt plus water. 今次要 calculate the volume of the hydrochloric acid in cm cube. 第一樣嘢就係要揾 moles， 但係佢俾咗你咯。We got moles of sodium hydroxide。我哋睇下個 molar ratio 1 to 1。真係我係用 exactly the same amount of acid 0.0045 moles of acid。記得個 equation 係 moles，我哋要咩 volume 啊 volume equals mole divided by concentration。Mole divided by concentration 0.15。second one 我哋要 convert 翻佢做 cm cube，咁即係 times it by 1,000。The larger atom, so calcium has more electron shells, outer electrons further from the nucleus. I've got positive nucleus. Positive nucleus. Whoosh, I'll spell today. Calcium 係大粒啲嘅，佢哋 more electron shells，咁即係佢 outer electrons are further from the positive nucleus。咁我哋個 nuclear attraction decreases。nuclear attraction decreases，咁即係啲 electron 會易甩啲啦，出邊嗰啲 outer electrons are easily lost. End of questions.